I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Although I've not caught the wolffish I'm hunting, I have caught almost every other predatory fish that prowls these waterways, from monster red-eyed piranha to red-tailed catfish. Is there a trick that I'm missing in order to catch one of these elusive fish? But this time has also allowed me to prepare the wolffish skull that I got from the fish market in town. First thing that's immediately apparent is that unlike a human skull, this here is a real three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle. It's going to take me quite a bit of fiddling around for me to reassemble this, to find out exactly what it is that I'm up against. The size of this skull as it starts to come together is surprising. Considering it's from a fish no bigger than 10 pounds, imagine the jaws of a giant. Well, there it is. It might not be a museum quality reconstruction, but it does give a very good idea of the animal I'm going to be up against. Very, very hard, bony skull, fearsome fangs, and very big eye socket, so it's very clearly a sight predator. And it really does look like some kind of dinosaur, but actually this thing was alive not very long ago, and there's more of them out there. I have now seen for myself that the wolffish is clearly well armed. But does it live up to its fearsome reputation? Over the next few days I travel further and further, fishing as much as I can, to see if I can catch a live one to put this to the test. Oh, there's something at it, something's at it, something's at it, something's at it. Yeah, felt like piranha, and judging by the empty hook, that's what I'm thinking it was. Peter and I discussed tactics and locations. But I still have no wolffish for all the effort that I'm putting in. I can't help but feel there is a piece to this puzzle that I am missing.